Hey everyone! Need a clean professional invoice you can reuse anytime? Excel makes it super easy to build your own invoice template. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fully working invoice in Excel. So let's jump right in. First, set up your invoice header. At the top, add your business name, logo if you have one, invoice title, invoice number, and date. This gives your invoice a professional look. Next, create a section for your client details. Add fields like bill to, client name, address, and contact information. This ensures every invoice clearly shows who it's for. Now create your invoice table. Add headers for description, quantity, unit price, and total. This is where you'll list the products or services you're billing for. In the total column, calculate each line amount. Type equals quantity multiplied by unit price, then press enter. After that, drag the formula down for other rows. Below the table, calculate your subtotal using the sum function. Then, if needed, add tax, and finally, the grand total. This makes your invoice fully automated. Yeah, super convenient. Now format all money values as currency. Select the amount cells, right-click, choose Format Cells, then Currency. You can also add borders, bold headers, and light shading to make the invoice look professional. Finally, save your invoice as a template. Go to File, then Save As, and choose Excel Template. This lets you reuse the same design for future invoices without rebuilding it each time. And that's it. You now have a clean, fully automated invoice template in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.